is a test of the EAS. This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test.
And after the test, I'm always usually on with these two devious people.
Yes. Antonio's on his Pittsburgh EAS.
You know who I am.
No, we don't!
I still need to record the IPTV live stream.
Yeah, go ahead and record it.
Yeah, we did. And shut up! Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace! He's silent, but he's secretly president. I love you.
What the fuck were you doing?
Anyway, I will see you guys in the next one for real.